High blood sugar levels occur when there is a buildup of excess glucose in the bloodstream. Our bodies are typically pretty great at keeping our blood sugar in perfect balance. But in some situations, like when a person has diabetes, high blood sugar can happen. The average blood sugar level is up to 140 mg per deciliter after 2 hours of eating. If the value ranges above 200 mg per deciliter after a glucose tolerance test, the person is considered diabetic. Around 37 million Americans have diabetes, about 1 in every 10 people. According to one study, approximately 21% of adults with diabetes are unaware that they have the disease. Therefore, it is worth keeping an eye out for high sugar warning signs. Today's video will discuss 8 early signs of high blood sugar levels. Make sure to watch the video until the end because there is one indication that most people ignore. Number 1. Fruity breath. Your breath smell indicates a lot more than when you last brush your teeth, like how your body metabolizes the food you eat. When a person has high blood sugar, their body does not have enough insulin, so the body cannot convert blood sugar to glucose, which is used as a fuel by the body. Without glucose to burn, the body enters a severe form of ketosis, releasing enough ketones into the blood that gives a fruity smell to a person's breath. Number 2. Increased thirst. In an attempt to flush out the excess sugar from the bladder, the body diverts water into the urine. This leaves the body insufficient water to perform the many functions that water facilitates, resulting in dehydration. If a person is unaware that they have high blood sugar levels and try to quench their thirst with juice, soda, or other sugary beverages, they may exacerbate their condition. The sugar in these drinks further increases the blood sugar level, resulting in more urination without hydration to replace the lost fluids. Number 3. Swollen or bleeding gums. Diabetes causes blood vessels to thicken, reducing the flow of nutrients and removing waste from the body tissues. This reduced blood flow can weaken the gums and bones, putting them at greater risk for infection. Furthermore, saliva contains glucose, and the more it has, the more there is to feed the bacteria that combine with food in your mouth to form plaque and cause gum disease. If this condition is unaddressed, it can progress to periodontitis, which can cause your gums to pull away from your teeth. Number 4. Blurred vision. High blood sugar also causes the eyes and tissues around them to swell and rupture the capillaries and small blood vessels in the eyes. This distorts the shape of the eye lens and makes it impossible or difficult to focus properly. This results in blurred vision even if the patient wears glasses or contact lenses. Number 5. Feeling tired all the time. Another warning sign of high blood sugar level is feeling tired all the time. When glucose does not reach the cells due to a lack of insulin or insulin resistance, the cells are not getting the fuel they need to function. The fatigue may be accompanied by headaches, irritability, trouble concentrating, slow reflexes, and loss of motivation. Number 6. Tingling in your hands or feet. The high blood sugar level can damage your nerves. The clearest sign of diabetic neuropathy is burning, tingling, or numb sensation in the fingers and the toes. If the condition advances, diabetic neuropathy may lead to foot ulcers and require amputation of the foot in extreme cases. Want to know more about how to prevent nerve damage? Then check out our video on the top 10 best vitamins for nerves. Number 7. Increased hunger. When our digestive system breaks our food into glucose, it gets into the bloodstream, and this sugar is used by our cells as fuel. If the person is insulin resistant, the glucose is trapped in the bloodstream and never makes it to the cells. Regardless of how recently the patient ate, the cells feel deprived of energy. As a result, the cells trigger the brain to crave more and more food. Number 8. Dry skin. Dark, thick, soft skin areas may form on the back of the hands or neck, armpits or face. These can be a sign of insulin resistance. Dryness, itchiness, discoloration, and skin abnormalities are the warning signs of high blood sugar levels. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button. Until next time, take care.